I'm Kareem Clemons. Welcome to Ghetto Kitchen. Today, I will be showing you guys how to make instant coffee. Right here, right now. The instant coffee, the high Sierra mug, the teaspoon, and the creamer. And of course, the hot water. These are the items you will need. You will need instant coffee, a cup, creamer, teaspoon, and you will need water. You will have your cup. I like to use the High Sierra stainless steel. Inside, it actually keeps your beverage cool and it will keep it fresh. It comes with a lid and also hot beverage hot, cold beverage cold. Your instant coffee, and you will use your teaspoon and you just apply teaspoon inside. Next, gently take your spoon and your hot water and you pour very carefully until you reach the max of how much coffee you would like before you add the creamer. In this case, I like to, since this is a wide cup, I like to add the coffee first, and then I like to add a little bit of coffee in. Then I add, and then I stir again. Thank you. Today we made instant coffee. We used the coffee, we used the creamer, and we used the hot water. So I hope that you guys will enjoy your coffee no matter where you're at. Go coffee!